Is the Epic Games Launcher taking forever to open, freezing, or running really slow? Before you reinstall it, try these simple fixes that only take a few minutes. Let's jump right into the fixes. Fix 1. Restart the launcher properly. First, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Don't just click the X button. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Find Epic Games Launcher, right-click it, and select End Task. Now launch it again. Fix 2. Clear the web cache. One of the most common causes of a slow launcher is a corrupted cache. Press Windows plus R. Type %local app data %. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then open Saved. Delete the folders named webcache and webcache_443 if they're there. Don't worry, these files will be recreated automatically the next time you open the launcher. Fix 3. Disable unnecessary startup apps. If your PC launches a lot of programs when Windows starts, Epic Games can feel much slower. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Disable programs you don't need starting automatically. This can free up system resources and improve overall responsiveness. Fix 4. Verify your internet connection. Even if you're not downloading a game, the launcher constantly communicates with Epic's servers. If you're on Wi-Fi and experiencing lag, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. A more stable connection can improve loading times and reduce syncing issues. Fix 5. Update the launcher. Epic Games Launcher usually updates automatically, but if it's been running for a while, simply restarting it may trigger a pending update. Keeping the launcher updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Bonus tip: if the launcher still feels slow, restart your PC. It sounds simple, but a fresh restart clears temporary system issues and background processes that may be affecting performance. Those are some of the easiest ways to speed up the Epic Games Launcher. If one of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more Windows, Steam, and PC gaming tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.